Rest EZ is known for their barbecue prep tubs, and they just came out with this new color, forest green. So they gifted me all 3 sizes and their incredible barbecue blanket. So in this video, I'm going to go over the features and then make some baby back ribs. Now to start with the tubs, they come in 3 sizes. This is the junior, and it is 15.75 by 12.5 by 4.5 inches. So it's definitely a smaller tub, but it definitely shows you what these tubs are capable of. They have clasps on both sides, and you can just use these as simple storage tubs, but they're so much more than that. You can have it at the full level, or you can just pop it down 1 level, which is a little easier when you're opening them up. And so it can be a smaller tub, or you can actually have it all the way flat. And when it's flat, this works as a cutting board. Really nice for quick meal prep, especially if you're going to keep everything in the bowl when you're finished. I find the junior to be best for cutting up veggies, anything like that, something you might want to throw on the grill after you throw the meat on the grill. And so this top goes on at any level, and then you can just tuck it in your fridge. Really nice handles, ready to go. Now the extra large is your big one. This is great for those really large pieces of meat. Think dry rubs, marinades, and then afterwards you can store them in it. It has double clasps and of course those multiple levels with the cutting board in the bottom. And this is 22.5, 16.25 by 5.5. So much larger. And again, when not in use, you can collapse it all the way down for really easy storage. And finally, we have the medium tub. This is their OG, and this is 20 by 16.25 by 5.5 at its fully expanded size. Now I already have this filled up with a couple items here. I have my ribs, I have my dry rub, and I have a knife. So I'm gonna cut these ribs down just a little bit, as our barbecue is kind of small and I plan to barbecue these. So I'll pop these out, and I am so excited to use this tub, but I am going to cut these down in half, and then I can add my dry rub. And this really is just salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika. And now these are ready to rest for a few hours, and this really is my favorite part, is that I can turn my prep board into my storage. I don't even need to expand it all the way, as this is plenty. And this is ready to go in the fridge. And now that that's in the fridge, I just want to talk about this barbecue bag real quick before I put this to use. This truly is a fully insulated meat resting bag. So when your meat is finished, you can just put it right in here. It actually has a full zipper, so you can fully enclose the meat and then let it rest until it's ready. So you get that really nice juicy cut. This is also a really nice way to be able to move things around. Let's say your barbecue is nowhere near where you plan to serve the food. This is a great way to get it there. And another thing I really like about this bag is that when I'm cooking, I usually always have a messy spatula or something else, and I can use this bag as my place to put that messy spatula during cooking, as this is going to be messy no matter what. So it really is kind of your go-to bag while you're barbecuing. Now, once the dry rub fully soaks into those ribs, I will give them a pre-cook, and then I'm going to marinate them in barbecue sauce and put them on the grill. And once they're fully finished, I can stick them in this insulated bag if I have the need. Now, I don't think this bag is as perfect for barbecue ribs as it would, say, for a large brisket or steak, something that is going to really like sitting for a longer period of time, but it still will work beautifully. Overall, these are really impressive barbecue tools that I know you're going to love if you spend a lot of time at the barbecue. I think my favorite part about these is just how versatile they are. You really can use them as your original storage to bring whatever you're bringing to the barbecue, then as your prep board, and then of course as your marinade if you want to use it as that, place to store your meat while it's preparing for the barbecue. And finally, you can definitely use these for storing leftovers as well. They are so versatile. They are fantastic containers. And when you're completely finished, they pack down so small that you really can tuck them out of the way for next time. I have loved everything I have tested from Rest EZ, and these prep tubs and this barbecue bag are no exception. These are fantastic.